Alright, welcome to this freaking video. I have nothing prepared, alright? I just feel a little bit angry and I'm just gonna freestyle. So I wanna talk about the fucking hearts of entrepreneurship, alright? It is so hard, it is so frustrating. I can't describe it in words. Never ever have I been this frustrated as when after I started my journey. Like, one day you feel like you're the king, alright? An hour ago I felt as if I was the king of the world. I had everything figured out. And now, I feel like I'm gonna die. I feel like my whole business is gonna crash. I have problems come all the time. And it's about how you get over them. But when you get the problem, it's really hard to focus on the end goal that you will get over them. You just focus on the fact that you're stuck. And I know that I will get over the problem, but it just drives me crazy that I'm stuck right now. I'm having this problem with one of my clients. I don't know if you're familiar with Pixels on Facebook. They have a online booking software, and I can't get the Pixel working on their online software. So basically, whenever I get somebody or I do an ad and somebody books their service from my ad, I can't track it. I can't show them that the booking is from me, from my advertising. And that means if I can't get the Pixel right, they will I can't prove that I'm giving them clients, because it can they can say, how do you know that you gave us a client? I can't show, and I'm it's driving me crazy. It's how should I overcome this problem? What the fuck should I do? I really don't know. I'm sure I'll figure it out some way, but right now I just feel so stuck. I just feel so goddamn angry and tired. I've been sitting with customer service for 6 hours trying to solve this, and they're telling me contact Facebook, we can't help you. And it's not about this specific problem, it's entrepreneurship in general. You gotta know it's really hard, it drives you insane. I just want to quit. I just want to lay on the ground in foster position and just I want somebody kissing me and hugging me. It's so freaking hard. Seriously. But I will get over it. I've had obstacles like this before, and I've gotten over it, and now it's hey, that was really easy. But it's just the fact that you gotta stick on it. You can't give up. And that's where most people fuck up. They give up too early. I won't give up, believe me. I will find a way to show my client, I don't know, with or without a Pixel. In some way, I'm going to figure this out, alright? But that's where most people fuck up. They give up too early. I've been sitting, I told you, for customer service for over 6 hours trying to solve this, and I've wasted half my day on getting nothing done, on trying to overcome this problem. And it drives me insane. But that's entrepreneurship. That's it. Entrepreneurship is feeling like a king for an hour, and for 6 hours feeling like a complete loser. If you want to start your journey because you want to experience the highs, I'm telling you, the lows are they are much more likely to happen, alright? More lows than high, especially in the beginning. So wow, I don't even know why I did this video. I just want to say, don't give up, alright? I won't give up. I have some serious problems right now with I just signed the client, so I really need to get this working because I need to start working, start making them money. But I just want to say, don't give up. Keep going. You will find a solution. How many times in your life haven't you had a situation where you're thinking, oh my god, I will never solve this, and when you then I don't know, in an hour or in a week you solve it, and you're hey, it wasn't that hard. Same thing here, alright? Don't stop. Alright? Now I think I'll just go and cry for an hour or two, and then I'll hop on the computer again, try to solve this. Alright, thank you for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm just real, I'm just honest. Peace.